Unlocking the meaning of "in the homestretch." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its many phrases. Today, we're exploring a very interesting expression, "in the homestretch." Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase. "In the homestretch" is an idiom that originates from the world of horse racing. In racing, the homestretch is the final straight portion of the racetrack leading to the finish line. When a horse or a racer enters this part of the track, they are nearing the end of the race. Thus, when we use the phrase, "in the homestretch," in everyday English, we mean that someone is approaching the end of a task, project, or endeavor. It implies that the majority of the work or journey has been completed, and only a small portion remains. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's go through a few examples. 1. After months of hard work on her thesis, Maria is finally in the homestretch and expects to complete it by next week. 2. We've been renovating our house for nearly a year, but we're in the homestretch now, with only the painting left to do. 3. As the fiscal year comes to a close, our team is in the homestretch of achieving our annual goals. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, not just physical races. It's about nearing completion of any process or journey. Understanding the context in which "in the homestretch" is used is crucial. This phrase conveys not just the nearing of an end, but also a sense of anticipation and, often, relief that a long or challenging process is almost over. However, it's important to note that the phrase carries a positive connotation and is typically used to express optimism about reaching a goal or conclusion. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "in the homestretch." We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this expression effectively in your conversations or writing. It's a useful phrase that adds color to language, especially when talking about the final stages of an endeavor. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this video helpful. Remember, learning English is a journey, and you're definitely in the homestretch of mastering idioms like these. See you in our next video.